Hello students of class 8. This is exercise 2b type 1. Simplify the following and express the result in power notation. Okay, simplify the result and express the result in power notation. So first of all, the laws of exponents. First of all, you see the laws of exponents. So this is your first a to the power n into a to the power m. It becomes a to the power n plus m. Next it is a to the power n divided by a to the power m. It becomes a to the power n minus m. Next again a to the power n into b to the power n. It becomes a into b to the whole power n. Next again a by b to the whole power n. This becomes a to the power n by b to the power n. A to the power n to the whole power m. It becomes a to the power n into m, which is a to the power n m. Next again your a to the power 0, this is equals to 1. Okay, so now exercise 2b type 1. Simplify the following and express the result in power notation. First, 2 by 3 to the whole power 2 into 2 by 3 to the whole power 3. So in here you see same base power I will add it. So 2 by 3 to the whole power 2 into 2 by 3 to the whole power 3. This becomes 2 by 3 to the whole power 2 plus 3, which is 2 by 3 to the whole power 5. Next I will do type D. This is 6 by 5 to the whole power 6 divided by 6 by 5 to the whole power 6. So this is 6 by 5 to the whole power 6 divided by 6 by 5 to the whole power 6. 6 by 5 to the whole power 6 minus 6. 6 by 5 to the whole power 0, which is equals to 1. Okay. Next you see number G. This is 7 by 8 to the whole power 2 to the whole power 5. So this is 7 by 8 to the whole power 2 to the whole power 5. This becomes 7 by 8 to the whole power 2 into 5, which ultimately gives me 7 by 8 to the whole power 10. Next again you see number I. 13 by 14 to the whole power 6 to the whole power minus 2. So this becomes 13 by 14 to the whole power 6 into minus 2. So 13 by 14 to the whole power minus 12. Okay. So this one what I will do, 13 by 14 to the whole power minus 12 there. So 14 by 13 to the whole power 12 become. Okay. Next it is your number J. This one 1 by 2 to the whole power minus 1 into minus 4 to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So solution This one you see you can do it in this way. The 1 by 2 to the whole power minus 1 into minus 4 to the whole power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So this one it will become 2 to the power 1, okay, 1 by 2 there. If this one reciprocal, I make them power, it will become positive 2 to the power 1 into this one I can do 1 by minus 4 to the whole power 1 to the whole power minus 1. So this one it will become 2 into 1 by minus 4 to the whole power minus 1. So this one it will become, you see, 2 2s are 4. So this is minus 1 by 2 to the whole power minus 1. So this one I can write it as minus 2 to the whole power 1. This is the answer. Okay. Or there are many ways how you can solve this problem. Like that also you can do. 1 by 2 to the whole power minus 1 into minus 4 to the whole power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So in here you see this is base different but power same there. So I can do 1 by 2 into minus 4 to the whole power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So now you see this one, 2 2s are 4. So this becomes minus 2 to the whole power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. So which is ultimately it becomes minus 1 to the power 1. In power notation I have to express. So I have written minus 1 to the power 1. Next again you see here type 2 express in single power. Okay, express in single power. X to the power 8 into y to the power 8. Very easy there. In here base different, power same. So x to the power 8 into y to the power 8. This becomes x into y to the whole power 8. So xy to the whole power 8. This is single power. Okay, express it in single power. 3 to the power 5 into 8 to the power 5. So this one will 3 to the power 5 into 8 to the power 5. This becomes 3 into 8 to the whole power 5. 24 to the power 5. Next you see number 3, 4 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 10. So in here base same there, power different. Yes, base same there, power different, multiply going on. So this is 4 to the power 3 plus 10 become, and 4 to the power 13 become. Number D, 8 to the power 8 into 8 to the power minus 3. So this one it will be 8 to the power 8 plus minus 3. So 8 to the power 5 become. Next I am going to type 3. Simplify. Simplify. So this is your 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 by 9 into 7 into 8. So this one you see 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 8 into 7 to the power 3 by 9 I can write it as 3 square into this one, okay, 7 into 8 I can write it as 2 cube. So now this one whole thing becomes, let me write this one in this way, 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 7. Okay, just this one I am bringing this side. Then if 2 to the power 3 I bring it to here, then 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3, 7 there. Okay, same base, divide going on. So it will become 3 to the power 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power 3 minus 3 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. So this one 3 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2. So this is 1 into 1 into 7 square, it is 49. So our answer, it is 49. Okay. Next again, number B, 3 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 by 49 into 7 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2 there. So now in here you see 3 to the power 4, okay, 3 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 by 49, it becomes 7 square into 7 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2 . So in here you see this one, it becomes 3 to the power 4, okay, 3 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 3 by 7 square into 7 square, this same base power add becomes, so this one it becomes 7 cube into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2. Now this one you see 4 cube there, so I can bring it in terms of base 2. 4 cube I can bring it in terms of base 2. So this one is equals to 3 to the power 4 into 4, I can write it as 2 square to the whole power 3 into 7 cube by, and this one I will write as 3 square into 2 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 3. So ultimately this becomes 3 to the power 4 minus 2 into this one, 2 to the power 6 becomes 2 into 3, 6. So 2 to the power 6 minus 6 into 7 to the power 3 minus 3. So this is 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 0. So this is ultimately answer I will get is 9. Okay, answer I will get it is 9. So rest of the problems you try to do by yourself. Type 3, rest of the problems you try to do by yourself. I am going to type 4, state true or false. 5 plus 5 to the whole power 20, it is equals to 5 to the power 20 plus 5 to the power 20. This is our false. Okay, this is into there, then only it will, if it is like that there, 5 into 5 to the whole power 20, then only this is 5 to the power 20 into 5 to the power 20, understand? But in here plus there, so therefore this is our false. Next, number B, 1 by 3 to the whole power 6 to the whole power 6 is the reciprocal of, so this is equals to, I will get 1 by 3 to the whole power 36. Yes, 1 by 3 to the whole power 36. So this one 1 by 3. So this is equals to 1 to the power 36 by 3 to the power 36 become, okay, power split becomes, so this is 1 to the power 36 is 1 by 3 to the power 36, which is the reciprocal, of 3 to the power 36. So therefore number B will be true. Okay, number B will be true. You just write it false or true. These are, I am just showing you, but no need to do, you just write it true or it is false. Okay. Next it is number C. 2 to the power 2 to the whole power 2 is equals to 4 to the power 2. Yes, this is also true. This is also our true, because 2 to the power 2 it is 4 to the power 2, same thing only, equals to 4 to the power 2, same thing only. So therefore this is our true. Okay, or you can see it in this way, that this thing it will become 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 4 to the power 2 it is 4 into 4, which is also equals to 16. So therefore this is our true. Next, number D, minus 8 by 17 to the whole power 100 there. This will be equals to minus 8 to the power 100 by 17 to the power 100. This will be in here one thing it is that this will be false. Why this will be false? Because this one, you see, everything in here is correct there, power split become, but if this thing, if I split the power for the numerator and the denominator, then I will have to give bracket here, minus 8 to the whole power 100 by 17 to the power 100. Then only this one it will become true. But in a bracket it is not given, so therefore this one it will be false. Okay. Now you see type 5. Type 5 here it is saying fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So number A, minus 3 to the power 11 divided by minus 3 to the power 16 is equals to 1 by minus 3 to the power dash there. So this one you see, minus 3 to the power 11 divided by minus 3 to the power 16. So this one it becomes minus 3 to the power 11 minus 16. So this is minus 3 to the power minus 5, which becomes 1 by minus 3 to the power 5. Okay. So in the fill in the blanks, what will come? 5 will come. Okay. Next, number B. 2 to the whole power 13 divided by 2 to the whole power 20. This is equals to 1 by 2 to the power dash. Same base, divide going on. So 2 to the power 13 divided by 2 to the power 20. This one it will become 2 to the power 13 minus 20. 2 to the power, this becomes minus 7, which is 1 by 2 to the power 7. So in the fill in the blanks, what it will come? 7 will come. You can solve this problem in this way. Next again, number C, minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 7 divided by minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 7. This is equals to minus 1 by 6 dash there. So this one very easy there, same base divide going on. So minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 7 divided by minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 7. This is equals to minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 7 minus 7 minus 1 by 6 to the whole power 0. So in the fill in the blanks, what will come? 0 will come. Next problem you try to do by yourself. I will go to type 6 here. Simplify. Type 6 simplify. Number A. This is 3 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. So this one you see here. Solution. Base different powers same multiply going on. So this one 3 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. This becomes 3 into 6 to the whole power minus 1. 3 6 are 18 to the whole power minus 1. So this is becomes 1 by 18. This one solved. Okay. Next again number B you see. 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 to the whole power 3. So this one in here you see 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1. So I can solve this in this way. 2 to the power minus 1 becomes 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5 to the whole power 3. Okay. So this one it will become 1 by 2 into 5 by 1 to the whole power 3. So this is 5 by 2 to the whole power 3. Which I will get 5 cube by 2 cube, which is ultimately 125 by 8. This is the answer. Understand? You can do it in this way. Next again you see number C, 2 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1. So this one in here, this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 to the whole power minus 1. I will take LCM, I will get 6 as the LCM. So this is 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into 1 it is 3 plus 2. to the whole power minus 1. So this is ultimately 5 by 6 to the whole power minus 1. So this will be 6 by 5 to the whole power 1. Finished. Or simplified if for saying, so this one 6 by 5 to the whole power 1, which is equals to 6 by 5. This is our answer. Next again type D. Next again type D, you see 3 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 to the whole power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. So now in here again this one 3 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 to the whole power 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. So this becomes 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 to the whole power minus 1 into this becomes 1 by 5. So this one it will become 1 by 12 to the whole power minus 1 into 1 by 5. Okay. So 1 by 12 to the whole power minus 1, it will become 12 by 1 to the whole power 1 into 1 by 5. Okay. Into 1 by 5. So this is ultimately I will get 12 by 5. I will get. Okay. Ultimately I will 12 by. Let me check the brackets now. Yes, 12 by 5. Okay. So now question number 7. Question number 7. By what number should by what number should 3 to the power minus 5 be multiplied? By what number should 3 to the power minus 5 be multiplied so that the product may be equal to 3? That means with 3 to the power minus 5, what number you will multiply so that their product will be 3? Okay, so in here you can take, let the number be x, in that way you can do, okay, let the number be x, or you can do it in this way, that by what number should 3 to the power minus 5 be multiplied so that the product may be is equals to 3. So you can write the required number is the required number is 3 divided by 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, or you can check in the class how we have done 3 divided by 3 to the power minus 5. So this is equals to 3. Okay, so in here you see 3 divided by 3 to the power minus 5, same base there divide going on. This is 3 to the power nothing, that it means 1 half. So ultimately it becomes 3 to the power 1 minus 5, which is 3 to the power 1 plus 5, which is 3 to the power 6 I will get. Yes, 3 to the power 6 I will get. Let me check the back answer. Yes, this is 3 to the power 6 is the answer. Okay. Next again number 8. Number 8 you see. By what number should minus 8 to the power 5 be divided so that the quotient may be equals to minus 8? That means saying, by what number should minus 8 to the power 5 be divided? By what number should this number should be divided by which number so that their quotient becomes is equals to minus 8? Okay, so that their quotient it becomes is equals to minus 8. So in here you can do that, let the number be x. Here you can do that, let the number be x. Therefore by quotient you can write minus 8 to the power 5 divided by x is equals to minus 8. Okay, so this one it will become minus 8 to the power 5 into 1 by x is equals to minus 8. Okay, so now minus 8 to the power 5 it is multiplied going on. So if I set this side, then I will get 1 by x is equals to minus 8 minus 8 divided by minus 8 to the power 5. Okay, so 1 by x is equals to minus 8 to the power 1 minus 5. So 1 by x is equals to minus 8 to the power minus 4. Okay, minus 8 to the power minus 4 I will get. So this one 1 by x is equals to, this one it will become 1 by minus 8 to the power 4. Okay, 1 by x is equals to 1 by minus 8 to the power 4. So this is ultimately, if both sides, if I turn it, I will get x is equals to minus 8 to the power 4. This is our answer. Next you see, next it is our type 9. Find the reciprocal of the rational numbers. Find the reciprocal. I have to find the reciprocal of the rational. I have to find the reciprocal of the rational number. So this is 5 by 2 to the whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 5 to the whole power minus 3. So now in here you see, I have to find the reciprocal of the rational number. So okay, so this is 5 by 2 to the whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 5 to the whole power minus 3. So this one, if I do 2 by 5, it will become to the whole power 2 divided by 5 by 1 to the whole power 3. 2 by 5 to the whole power 2, it becomes 4 by 25 divided by, this one it becomes 125 by 1. Okay, so 4 by 25 into 1 by 121 become, this is equals to, so ultimately I will get okay, so ultimately I will get 4 by 121 minus 121 into 25. I will get 5 1 5, 5 to the 10, 5 1 5 6, 2 1 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 2, 5 2 10 3. This is 3025 I will get. Okay, 3025 I will get. So therefore the reciprocal of 5 by 2 to the whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 5 to the whole power minus 3 is 3025 by 4. Okay, 3025 by 4. (121 into 25). Oh, sorry. This is 5 cube. This is 125. Sorry, 125. So 125 into 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, 5 1 5 6, 5 2 is 10, 2 to the 4 5, 5 1 5. So this is 5 2 11. This is 2 1 2. 5 2 is 10, 2 to the 4, 5, 2 1 2. So this is 3. So this one it will become 4 by 3125. Okay, so therefore the reciprocal of this one, it will be reciprocal of this, 3125 by 4. This is the answer. Okay, 3125 by 4 is the answer. Next, the last one, number 10. So that minus 11 by 14 into 9 by 17 to the whole power minus 9 is equals to 14 by 9 into 17 by minus 11 to the whole power 9. So this one, first of all, I will take LHS. So which is minus 11 by 14 into 9 by 17 to the whole power minus 9. So in here this one minus 11 into 9 by 14 into 17 to the whole power minus 9. So this one if I make the reciprocal, I will get 14 into 17 by minus 11 into 9 to the whole power 9 becomes. Okay. So this one again is equals to, I can write as 14 into 17 by 9 into minus 11 to the whole power 9. Okay, I can write it in this way. So this one I can write it now, 14 by 9 into 17 by minus 11 to the whole power 9, which is equals to RHS. Okay, hence so, which is equals to RHS. Hence so.